Welcome to SS Homes channel. So this is an update of a ready-to-move villa available in KR Puram. So you're seeing the pics of the property which is ready to move. It's a very boutique property of 5.2 acres development and 70 villas. So the density is less and there is a lot of care taken to ensure there is good green spaces. So this property is BDA approved. 4 BHK villas of ground plus 2 floors. Current status is ready to move and availability currently is only 2 units available. So the available units are in a plot area of 1600 square feet with a super built up area of 3031 square feet. So these are wonderful 4 BHK villas. The price is 3.25 CR plus registration and Corpus and maintenance fund. The second villa which is available is built